The next one is faith, Sraddha, fifth quality. Sraddha is very nice. Sraddha. Sraddha means faith. Yeah? Faith is very nice. Why? Because you don't have the direct experience of bliss, but you have faith that bliss is there for you. You don't have the experience of truth, but you have faith that truth is there and it's worth for you to make the effort. If your faith is missing, yeah, let's say you have a weak Jupiter or something, you see that you don't have vision about yourself. Therefore, it's very difficult to have faith because you see so close, so you cannot see vision that things will change and then something else will come. And you don't have that global, big, large vision. You see? So, in the absence of direct experience, one needs to have faith. You replace faith, yeah, with the. You don't have the direct experience, you have to use faith. And when you have direct experience, eventually you have direct experience of bliss, of truth, then you don't need faith. Okay? But meanwhile, you need to cultivate faith. Instead of faith will be fear. If you don't cultivate faith, then you will experience fear and anxiety. So you need to cultivate faith. Faith in what? Faith in? Faith in God. Faith in Guru. Faith in the teaching. So two things. Faith in the Guru, the teacher. Faith in the teaching. And faith in your capacity of learning. Yeah? Faith, if you say faith in yourself, it's not enough, right? Because, you can have, people have, they call it self-confidence in themselves. But it's an ego trait. Yeah, it's just a matter of time. You'll be pulled down. Okay, it's not that faith. It's the faith in your capacity of learning. You see? That means whatever will come in your way, you have the faith that you'll be able to understand it and overcome it. You see? That faith. And the faith of the teaching, that means, that there is the teaching there and you have to follow it. Even though you follow the teaching and you don't see results, and you say, teaching is incorrect, I need to change teaching. Or have faith in the teacher. Yeah? There's somebody that will deliver the teaching to you. You have to have faith, yeah, in them. So all these need to be there, and it will help you to live this life, to go through the karma and make the right decision and do the right thing and qualify yourself. Okay? More elaboration, faith. How do you acquire faith? How do you acquire faith if you don't have faith? I always resonate in my mind. I think the Bible resonate in my mind. Oh man of little faith. You see? All the problem come because we have little faith. Oh man of little faith. So we need to build up the faith. So how do you build up the faith? How do you do that? Practicing what? Who said that? Surrendering. Yeah. It's not easy practicing self-surrendering. I would say, this is my experience. Yeah? Now don't try to hold on to easy things in life. Because if things are easy in life, you don't have faith. Why? Because you think, that's me. told you that already. I'm in control. What's the point? I don't need any faith. I'm doing everything. Okay? But if you put yourself in a difficult situation, yeah, and you have to really work very hard, then at that time you have to pray very sincerely, yeah, and when things happen and you build up your faith and you say, yeah, it works. There is something that exists that is taking care of me that I did not know that exists. But in fact, this intelligence that is supporting my life. You see? And you build up faith. Faith toward something that you cannot grasp. Okay? Because if you control it, it's not called faith. Yeah? It's called ego or self-confidence based on habits or some skill or something. But this we know, even you have good skill and you have all the, good qualities and you have all the money in the world and you have, all the blessings you have, nice body and nice support system and everything, this can also be taken away. Yeah? So when we talk about faith, we talk about something else that you cannot grasp, yeah, that is beyond the worldly things, beyond your capacity, beyond your body, beyond your mind, and something you cannot grasp. Okay? So the teaching, when you practice the teaching, it would open the door to you, that feeling. When you practice, and that feeling of infinity, yeah, that is there, it feels real. Okay? So this is what we mean by faith, to cultivate faith. Okay? Means knowing. Faith is knowledge. Okay? Without proof. Without proof. No need to have proof. It comes from intuition. Higher faculty of the mind.